You wondered where I was when life broke you, when prayers went unanswered, when your heart was too heavy to carry. But my child, I was there. In every tear you cried, I was holding your soul. You felt alone, but I was beside you in the silence. You thought I was silent, but I was speaking through your pain. I never left, not for a moment. Even when you doubted me, even when you gave up, I held on. You are not forgotten. You are not forsaken. You are mine. And I'm still here, still loving you. Jesus,